Hello everyone! With Valentine's Day coming soon, I thought about sharing a few unboxing of some Cartier necklaces that I got. Hopefully those videos will help you if you're shopping for a Cartier necklace for yourself or for your loved one. I love Cartier, but I'm not a collector, so I only own a few pieces. The first piece is the Love Necklace, 2 diamonds from their Love collection. It comes in 3 colors, variation. We have yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. They are all made of 18K gold, set with 2 diamonds totaling 0.3 carats. The chain length is 15-inch extensible to 16.1 inches. The yellow and rose gold one are $3,100 Canadian. However, the white gold one is a bit more expensive at $3,300 Canadian. I got the yellow gold version because it looked nicer on my Asian skin tone. Since we don't have a Cartier in my city, I had to order online. It took about 2 to 3 business days to arrive, and it came by Purolator. It was really well packed. It came in a brown box, which inside we have a red Cartier gift bag and a white box full of those paper swirlies. Unboxing the brown box was quite dusty. They gift wrap the red box with this thick white texture paper and seal it with their signature logo. Cartier offers complimentary engraving on most items. However, we cannot engrave on this particular necklace. This necklace design is quite special and looks dainty. If you like a delicate looking necklace, this will be a good option. As you can see, the gold is very shiny. And since it is 18K, it doesn't look overly yellow or orange. However, the diamonds feel somehow pointless, but still give some sparkles, right? So, what do you think? Love it? Hate it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.